Hello, hi, welcome to Unkoso Samzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. Sibusiso Lawrence deleted his girlfriend yesterday in Slugu. And after deleting the girlfriend, he took pictures of the girl alele phansi and also recorded himself admitting to deleting his girlfriend and posted these videos and pictures on his Facebook account. And people are so shocked, guys. People are so shocked. How can he? How dare he? So if udelete umuntu then uthatha my picture and my video, and the guy was saying on the video ukuthi the girl cheated on him and waba nemntwana futhi lengasiwo wakhe wam-accepta and he was tired. So people are calling this guy a narcissist, saying ukuthi he could have just left the girl if bekabona ukuthi things are not working out between the two of them, not gokuthi avele amdelete. And for him gokuthi athathe ama-picture and the videos are posted on Facebook for what? There was blood on his face. Lokhombisa kona ukuthi vele uqeda kwenda into lengasi kahle and wende futhi ngesihluku. And people are saying ukuthi this guy must be arrested. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I am signing out. Goodbye.